Let us talk about common sense. Is common sense common? What is common sense? And whether common sense can be enhanced or not. Common sense is daily science. We have a set of experiences on a day to day basis. Some of them we might like, most of them we might not like, or some of them can be neutral. Whatever it is, we have a set of experiences moment by moment, day to day. Plus, we have to make small decision, big decision. Some can be right, some can be wrong. Again, decision making is a big area that happens on a day to day basis. Then we have societal norms, rules, regulations everywhere. We need to follow that. So these three together come from a place of common sense. Common sense is actually an there is an abstract idea that gets subjected to reasoning plus practical knowledge. So, if we have to define common sense, it will be something like common sense is a series of concepts that is of practical use to mankind. Common sense gives us insights, and science is a regularized framework of testing, evaluating, and then understanding, and then expanding on those insights. So, common sense is daily science. Is common sense common? Unfortunately, not. Can common sense be enhanced? Yes, it can be enhanced. How? We said we have a lots of experiences on a day to day basis. So, experience a lot on one side, we just need to do observation on these experiences, and from there it goes in two directions. Either we can reflect on those observations, that is empiricism, or we can ask questions, and that will take us to rationalism. What questions to ask here? Remember it as one husband and five wives, not in that sense, just like for remembering. H is how, then www, all this is why, when, where, what, which. So that's the way to enhance common sense, reflection, and questioning. Then some examples. When we say common sense is daily science, is it true? Some examples will be, take any example, like for example, you see someone is sad, be empathetic, that is common sense. You see someone is mad, just run away from there, give them their space, you too take your space. No use advising or blaming or even talking at that point because they are not in their senses. Or when you see someone is sick, help them. When you see you yourself have some issue, muscle pain, bone pain, constipation, whatever it is, address it immediately. Or for time management, yeah, you have to reach somewhere, say at 9:30 a.m. It takes 30 minutes from your place to go there. Is it enough that you start exactly at 9 o'clock? No. Start a little earlier, 8:30 or so. That is common sense. To manage people, common sense very very essential. Some people know the language of love beautifully, some know the language of head, logical thinkers, so accordingly deal with them. Children are impulsive, deal with them accordingly, so that is common sense. So even in money management, yeah, you earn this much, you want to spend more than your earnings, that is not common sense. So common sense helps in every aspect of our day to day living. So common sense is daily science.